All right. We're back at the hacienda. So today's Labor Day. Already got the slicks. They showed up yesterday, believe it or not. On a Sunday they delivered those, so that's cool. I'm gonna get the car out of the trailer, assess the damage, and start fixing it. Okie dokie, here we go. Take the parachute off, this way that's not in my way. We're going to take the trunk lid off, set that aside, we'll fix that. The inside of the wheel well, in the passenger compartment, like whatever, in the car, that's nothing. There's nothing wrong with that.
I gotta fix this.
We gotta fix this and the wing. No.
Oh.
It could have been worse.
That broke there.
What? All right, let's get it going.
Yeah. Like a can opener. So I gotta fix this where it was mounted on that side.
Watch the.
Gotta fix this one rod. This side all works. This side's all good. Here, I'll hold that up and then
Get that side.
I guess we could kind of do like you were thinking, and just cut the middle out of it,
Cut it there.
and then overlap it, and
Yeah.
that's it.
It's strong against the fire, against the wheel. Doesn't do nothing.
And that's just glued in there.
Yeah.
That side. That stuff's good.
That's a testament to that crap.
Should see if we can get sponsored now. Look what we did to it. It didn't break.
All right.
Poor trunk lid.
This,
I'll get a blanket and then you can flip it up.
I'll
I'll flip it upside down.
Glue that all back together.
It just split open anyway. It's okay though. It's all fixable. You don't have to do body work and paint. Even though we could do that too, but
To there.
well, if you cut it off of that, you might as well
I'm
just.
gonna cut it right. I'm gonna just leave a little lip like that all the way down.
And then we'll just rivet the new piece to it.
And then this side,
Same thing with
right
that
on this
side.
line, I'm gonna stay. And you're basically replacing
Yeah.
10-inch section. All right, let's get it up in the air and get the wheel off.
Got a new slick so we can mount. Barely got the bumper a little bit. Look at that thing.
Shredded wheat. Holy crap, man. Yep.
Just basically the slick
Almost
piece
half-
came off, like the
half of it.
tread. Look at that.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Well, so like my point was, even if it was, let's say, porous, but the tube's holding the air in it, that's why it didn't. It's not flat.
Oh, definitely porous right there.
Yeah, I know. If this didn't have a tube in it, it'd definitely be flat.
Alright, well,
And then
that could come off.
this will have to. Scared me.
That's gonna be a wall in there.
we'll give away we got a nice piece of it that we'll give away.
Wow. What a hole.
And then while we got it in here, hopefully we're gonna make solid mounts that go from where the wheelie bar brackets were up to the cross section bar, so that it's basically like these hind joints. It's just real long ones, so we can lock it when we're driving in the trailer, so the car's not bouncing around on the shocks and wearing the shocks out the whole ride, because some of these trips are pretty rough.
15/16.
And then once we get to the track, you just loosen them real quick, take them off. We'll just make them with pins.
All right.
And hopefully...
This ain't gonna take as long as I thought, so we'll be. I'll get the little saw. This section I'll just replace. There's nothing on there anyway, so we'll get that.
Yeah, we can make that.
Straighten this back down flat.
Make it look like this side again.
Man, that stuff held up good. Holy crap.
Marine seal.
Hell yeah, brother. Ah. Sucks. Well, at least the front ain't messed up. Because that's where we had to weld.
Yeah, no.
Like all that weird crap in here to make it all fit right.
Oh, that's good.
Alright, that's cool.
You know, this is the first time I actually saw the dry shack because I wasn't home.
That's a big boy.
It's nice. Alright. So we were wondering why we couldn't get the one shock bolt out. It was a little tight, and more problems.
Well,
That broke off. Well,
yeah, we gotta check
snapped
everything.
that a little bit, but we're gonna check all everything. Shock looks alright though, but shock looks okay.
It ripped it.
Yeah, it ripped the top piece off.
No, it's ripping the casing, like the.
Yeah. Well, the weld, where the weld is.
Well, this is probably thinner than this, so.
It just broke off where the weld is. It didn't.
this
It
is
doesn't
ripping
look like
open.
it's.
It's ripping open into the
Yeah. Well,
right there.
something's got to let go. You can see this one was getting ready to start doing the same thing.
Well,
So,
pull that back into place, weld that up, and that's
yeah. Yeah. All right.
the shock mount and everything.
Oh, wow.
All right, so we got this thing all ready. I started drilling all these holes out, so we're gonna got all those drilled off. I'm gonna cut this off here, and then cut this off like this, so I could straighten this piece out. Take the rest of that piece off from the top, and then I'm gonna cut this piece off, and then cut this, and then just cut this one section out. I'm just gonna cut that section out, and that's it. It ain't gonna be as bad as I thought. All right. All right. Not too bad. This will all get pinched back together. That is nice. It's clean. Nice clean cut. I got the corner all redone. I'm just going to trim this little piece off later. So going to do is I'm going to go to Dutra tomorrow. I'm going to get another piece that goes the same width as from here, from this very edge, right, all the way across, and have them make the roll bead in the same spot. And it'll just lay right over that and right over this, and I'll go right up against this on the very edge of this, on the outside. This is a straight line, and then I'll just actually I could probably have them put a small bead on it or whatever, but it doesn't really matter. See, I could go right to this bead right here, like that, and it'll still have the round edge on it and everything. It'll look good because that goes way up into the trunk, can't see it. And then this will come down, it'll hang down like this, same as the other side, like that. Have a little lip on it. That's all she wrote. Okay, that's what I cut out of it. So I'm gonna swap the tires out. I'm gonna end up having to porta power this back out. I'll put the little spreader in here and spread that back out till that touches. Straighten it out this way. Grind this stuff clean, weld that back on. That'll be done. And I'm just gonna make sure the shocks ain't bound up for no whatever reason, which I don't think they are. And that's it. So bring this trunk lid in the other bay right now. Get that glued up this way. That'll be ready to put back on. I'll do some sand in here like this and touch up the edge, which is not that big a deal. Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna fix the
I gotta fix this first. See
thread
this? See this
spot.
right here? Look, no, here, right here. See this? So I need that to stay like that. Yeah. So I put bolts in the threads so the fiberglass don't go through it. Right?
cracked it all right there.
And then this is gonna go like this. And it's gonna go like that. And then that is gonna go.
Hang on. Yeah, I got it.
Loosen this up enough to hold it in place, like
Yep.
that. All right, and then just get it over here. That can go like that. So now that's good. And then I'm just gonna load it up. Now I know it could go just like that, so I'm gonna load it up with fiberglass and a couple of pieces of mat, and then let it sit like that. Right.
And then the other stuff, we're gonna use the adhesive stuff and glue all the seams back around it again.
So that's gonna go in there, and that's gonna go like that and like that. So 2 of those. Okay. We'll get some gloves.
Just give me
Over there.
a little bit on there first. Here's the long piece. Oh. Make a corner out of it. Guess we can trim some of it even.
It'll all lay down once it's in there.
No, I mean the bolts go further through or no?
No,
Okay.
they're short. I just didn't want the stuff getting in them, and then
No, yeah, and then we won't be able to use it.
okay. All right, I'll let that set up, and then I'm gonna go do the rims. All right, here we go. New slicks came. All right. So those are W's. We're taking the W's off.
Are these?
Yeah, those are W's.
I thought these were the
No.
regular.
And then we're gonna put the regular 28 10.5s on it. So,
I thought
because everybody cries that we got W's on it.
Wow.
At this point, it ain't gonna make a difference because it don't matter. All right, so put these back on.
Gotta keep up with the radials.
All right. New tires are on. All balanced up. Ready to go. Now we're going to go in the other room. So this part's good. That's all good. On the other side, like we did. Now what we're going to do is we're going to run a bead of the famous 5200, right? So we're going to run a bead across that whole thing on both this side and this side like that.
Lift
And
that
then-
up.
Hold on. All right. So all went right back into place. Got all the little clamps on it. Glued it all back together. Probably be stronger than it was anyway because there was barely any glue on it to start with. So, okie dokie.
Lives to fight another
It
day.
lives to fight another day. All right, so that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We will tomorrow. I'll go get the sheet metal for the quarter panel. I mean for the wheel well. Fix that. Take all that stuff apart. You'll see us do the rest of it. Thank you. Goodbye.